lovely friends. So I am so excited today because I will be sharing to you a new brand. It's actually an Italian brand, and when you go to Italy, you don't really see them in commercialized area, as I was told. It's basically a very homegrown brand. They just want to keep it simple, but you would be surprised because this brand has a wide range of products. Whatever you think of, there's hair care, skin care, facial care. What else? Nails, there's nail polish, and fragrance. Niyo&Co, thank you so much for sending all these. Mind you, he is a guy, but he knows his makeup, fragrance, skincare by heart. I can tell that he really studied everything. And what I'm so excited to try is this bronzing powder called Revitage. So this is super nice packaging, sobrang chic. And look at how huge this bronzing powder is. I just want to give it a quick try right now with my Real Techniques brush. I want to use bronzing powder as my blush because it gives that warmth without the fake, color on your cheeks. Super smooth. I just applied it light hand and it's highly pigmented and it's very natural looking. Again, it's organic. All their products are organic, meaning there's lesser chances for you, especially if you have sensitive skin, to be irritated with such products or makeup. Next, I won't try out the foundation now. I'll do a look trying these out. They also have the powder, which I'm interested to try. This is in warm sand, and just so you know, I just picked the shade based on the photo, and he just took a photo of all the shade names and he kind of know what's meant for me. So this is how it looks like. Ooh. So let's try it with a bit of a smaller brush for us to see if it has a nice coverage. Super color ko siya. Galing mo, Paolo. Yes, I like it. Super smooth. I'm so happy. I'm so excited to try all these. And yeah, I'll update you guys. I actually used the shampoo na last night. And I haven't tried their conditioner pa, but just in case if you're interested with their products, their store, they have a self-standing store at Valley. I was supposed to visit there, but because of what happened in Taal Volcano, so it was postponed, but definitely I will visit his store next time. But for now, I'm sure these products and more, ang dami talaga, I saw photos, will be available online. I'll put in the link there or information on where to buy, but I'll keep on using these and I'll update you guys. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing, and hello Niyo&Co, welcome to the Philippines, and I am embracing you with open arms. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.